think going to culinary school and working in kitchens, learning what it means to really be a chef and to be a cook is invaluable experience. I can't stress that enough. ICE has an award-winning culinary training program. It has launched more than 10,000 careers, just like mine.
I think that plate looks really great. Very nice.
The Culinary Arts program is the foundation of everything that we've built here at ICE.
The curriculum's courses include fundamental skills, introduction to meat, fish, and poultry, soups and sauces, breakfast, brunch, and lunch, international cuisines of France, Italy, and Asia, pastry and baking, modern culinary masters, and hors d'oeuvres, charcuterie, and buffets.
What I like about ICE Cooking School is the boutique size of the school, which I think is very important because the classes are never too big. The teacher, of course, are very high knowledge, and we have had wonderful results with the selection of the student. I think it's a big plus for ICE.
The student experience extends outside the kitchens through guest lectures, networking opportunities, and volunteer opportunities by the hundreds.
A lot of the time people come to culinary school and they don't really know what they want or don't really have the way to connect what they want to how to get it. And so your externship is a really important part of that.
One of the great things about ICE is it prepares you for so many different careers, from working in a restaurant to being a caterer, to working in food media, to owning your own restaurant, or even research and development. The possibilities are endless.
The key points about the program were not only the instructors, but the freshness of produce, ingredients, the quality of the meats, technique, equipment. It was a well-rounded program. You were in a space where you had everything that you need in order to accomplish your goal.
ICE students are such good employees because they come into our restaurant prepared. We have a number of our key staff members who have graduated from this school, so we see a great continuity over the years that, in my opinion, is only getting better and better.
But people who make the choice to go to a fantastic culinary school like ICE are saying, I want to give myself a leg up.
Culinary school is worth it.
Come to ICE and find your culinary voice, just like I did.